Hey everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude. I lost one of my stegosauruses from Mattel's, I think it was Dinorivals lineup. I'm not sure where it is because I'm going through some boxes that I packed up, because I was planning on moving, but hasn't happened yet. And it wasn't in any of my boxes labeled Mattel, so now I'm going through some of my Hasbro and Kenner ones to see if I can find it. And I thought, hey, why not record it, show you guys some cool stuff in, I guess, this box. This one's half Mattel, half The Lost World, so I thought it might be in here. I haven't completed my Lost World collection yet. I'm about halfway. Minus the vehicles, I've got like 2 or 3 vehicles from that lineup. Look at those guys. I was planning on starting it after I completed my Jurassic Park first series lineup, but then that was when Mattel released their first lineup, so I started collecting that, and then it just escalated from there, as we all know. Here's a Lost World vehicle. I've got quite a few of these stegosauruses. I think 2 of them are mint condition. One has capture gear and battle damage. The bull rex. Yeah. This one's very pretty. I'd love to do some photography with it. I think I got this one for Christmas one year. Yes, found it. Bingo. So this is the stego that I was looking for. Thank goodness. I was fearing maybe I left it at a park or something when doing photography. That would have been a nightmare. Don't know how much they go for on eBay nowadays, but this one's pretty cool. It has the head bobbing feature and that tail whip feature. Also found the Suchomimus. I did not realize I was missing it. Kind of feel bad now because there's just so many Mattel figures. I'm missing about 5 from the past 3 waves, and that's about it. So I've got over 300 at the moment, which again, it's pretty hard to keep track of each and every one. But yeah, I'm glad I found them. Might as well look at what else is in here. Have no clue what's in this bag. Probably some of the Lost World Raptors. Oh, sweet! We got a bag of capture gear. All sorts of goodies in there. It's just a bag of Rollin' Tembo. Yep. Some other human figures. I think that's a Congo figure. Here's a Stegosaurus, battle damage, and accessories. Controllers for remote controls. I got the dinosaurs, Jurassic Park Dinosaurs 3 Raptor, I think, or maybe first lineup, I don't know. And then Lost World Young Rex. What was it? It was metal beak or steel beak or something. The Lost World Pteranodon. This guy's complete. This is the, whatchamacallit from Chaos Effect, that really snazzy vehicle. The headlights are in here somewhere. Give me a second. Hopefully they're in here. Got another human. Got Dieter with the little compies. Got some more compies from Mattel and baby dinosaurs that came with the human figures. Those up there. Some more miscellaneous humans. We got the These guys are like from the 2011 or 2009 series, and I think this guy's a really good bootleg G.I. Joe crossover. These guys are just minis and compies from Mattel. Here's Cage. I think that was from the Destructasaurs lineup. Got some Lost World babies, and I think two battery covers, one for the Para and one for a Spinosaurus. And then these two Malcolms. Where's the lighting system for this guy? Here it is. And then this goes on the back of that Chaos Effect vehicle. It's like big floodlights, and then you can like tear it off or whatever. It's a really cool feature to that. And this goes on the back of it. It's got a little crane, and you can use this to hook onto dinosaurs and I guess carry them. Okay, so that was basically it. My cat's watching me. Hey, Nessie. Or he's not. Focused on the sirens or whatever. Okay, anyways. So yeah, that was one of the boxes. Got two more there. And then some over there as well. Those were my Mattel figure ones. But yeah, no, found what I was looking for, thank goodness, and I think that's all for my Mattel. Now I don't need to dig through any other boxes, but I've got all my JP3 and other Hasbro stuff in that one. And I think there's some in-box Mattel in that box right there. And then somewhere else is my my complete Kenner Wave 1 Jurassic Park, but I think that's somewhere in the garage. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little digging through a box. If you guys want to see more box digging videos, I do have quite a few more to go through. If I get enough likes or whatever on this one, I definitely will just dig through another for fun. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.